Welcome. Welcome to another exciting episode of Carving the Divine TV. My name is Yujiro Seki, and I'm a director, writer, and the producer of the documentary Carving the Divine. Carving the Divine is about the Buddhist Sculptors of Japan, and I'm ready to present it for the first time in the world. But before I do so, I thought it would be a great idea to introduce basic concept of Buddhism and the history of Buddhism, so that when you guys finally watch my documentary, you guys can watch it at the maximum value. So today, again, he's back. I'm very excited to have him back. Our scholar, Frederic Hewett. Welcome, Frederic.
Yes, thank you, Yuji, and hello everyone out there. I'm excited to be back on your program and talk about Buddhism.
Awesome, I love your energy, and we're gonna take this energy all the way. So awesome. So Frederic, so in case for the people who don't know anything about you, please tell us about you.
Yeah, certainly. So I'm based in San Diego, California. I work at a nonprofit called the Japanese Friendship Garden, and I am the program coordinator. There I am in charge of most of the educational and cultural programs, including Japanese holiday celebrations, arts and craft workshops, docent tours, and all sorts of events that happen year-round. It's a very busy position, but I'm happy to be there. I love Japanese culture, and I love getting to talk about it. So thank you for inviting me again on your program, Yuji.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you so much. So, I would like to have somebody who can talk about the Japanese culture with the passion and love, not just
Yes.
Somebody who knows about something, but I want somebody who loves it. So we're gonna dive into today's question. Previous time we talked about the Shingon and Tendai, and now we're gonna combine both of them together so you guys can get the better perspectives. So they seem like a very similar to some extent, and they are very different to some extent. So if you could summarize the differences between Tendai and the Shingon, that would be awesome. Please take it away, Frederic.
Thank you, Yuji. Yes, it's a very broad topic, but I can do it. People see them as similar because the history between the two schools are very closely intertwined. If you remember from our previous episode, Kukai and Saicho, they were both contemporaries. They both lived at the same time at the end of the 8th century, which was a turning point from Nara school of Orthodox Buddhist doctrine, the 6 schools. The emperor, he changed the capital to Heian-kyo to get away from the political influence of those priests. And he wanted to commission brand new schools of thought. So he sent a delegation to China and to bring back new teachings from Buddhism and all facets of their civilization. So Kukai and Saicho were both on that same mission, and they both brought back a bulk of literature and teachings, and they both founded 2 of the primary schools of Buddhism. So Kukai founded Shingon, and Saicho founded Tendai. Tendai is based in Enryaku-ji, Enryaku Temple, northeast of Kyoto on Mount Hiei, and Kukai, he started his own school in Mount Koya to the south of Kyoto. So both schools of thought, starting with the similarities, they believed that all beings are capable of enlightenment in this lifetime. So that broke away with the older schools of thought, that you had to reincarnate to higher and higher levels towards enlightenment. They both teach esoteric teachings. The main difference being that Shingon focuses exclusively on esoteric teachings, while Tendai incorporates it as one of many vehicles towards the ultimate purpose of enlightenment.
That's awesome. So yeah, so basically, Shingon only focuses on esoteric teaching, but Tendai as a syncretic. So they take like many different kind of teachings from everywhere and try to attain the enlightenment through different vehicles. That's what you said, right?
Yes, yes, and they both emphasize different doctrines. So. So Tendai, they focus on Hokkekyo, or the Lotus Sutra, and Shingon focuses on Dainichi Kyo, which is the Mahavairocana Tantra. So it's a collection of teachings on the secret rituals and physical practices towards attaining a higher consciousness. So Shingon, they focus on the metaphysical. In Tendai, they hold the Lotus Sutra as the literal teachings from Shakyamuni Buddha. That was his final stage. The sutras before that were lesser teachings to help people gain an understanding and advance towards the ultimate understanding of enlightenment, the true nature of life. Yeah, I think, yeah.
Wow.
Did I explain it?
No, that's awesome. You know, that was such a loaded question. So, you know, I mean, very few people are capable of answering this question. So, but you know, that's great. So finally, we have some understanding of Tendai and the Shingon. So now we can even move forward further. So thank you so much, Frederic. So if you guys think this information is useful, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like me on my Facebook, because that's how we do it in the 21st century.
Thank you very much, Yuji, and thank you everyone for listening. I'm happy to be here, and I will see you on the next episode.
Awesome. So see you soon.
Yes. Take care.